Hello friends, I'm your host Saurav from TechNewtech. Today I'm going to give you an app review and it is Smart Spends. Now I'm going to just open this device, and now I'm going to inside my phone and going to this app. It is you can see the look and feel of this app. It is Smart Spends. So first you can see here, you can use this app for track all your spends at one place. No diaries, Excel sheets or password you will use. After it, you can see here, never miss a bill, we have got you cover, a bill calendar that is automated. After it, you can see here, get suggestion on the best card to use for every spend, save money while spending it. You can also get from this app. And after it, you can see here, get personalized offer to save on every purchase, and in of it you can see here, discover fun facts, interesting insights on your spends. Okay, now we are going to let's get started. Yeah, here we can see there are 3 to 5 tab buttons here. On the top you can see here, yeah, you can see here spends, bill calendar, cards suggest, offers and fun facts. And at the bottom side you can see here feedback and FAQ. So first we will go inside the spends and we check here. We can see here it is displaying here your spend feed is empty. So we can I'm just going to we will click here on the rupee sign area, and now we can see here it is displaying here, create your cash tracker, save yourself from manually adding usual cash spends again and again. Just add your spends where you don't use credit or debit cards. So okay, not now. Now I'm going to just July. Yeah, after it it is displaying here, select a month. So which month you want to select, you can select it from here. Now I'm going to just back. Now I'm going to click on bill calendar. Here you will add all your bills at one place like it. So here it is displaying you don't have any bills. So now I'm going to create bills like it. So you can, I'm just focusing here, all due, delayed and paid. So all of kind of the bills are here. So you can also track all of your bills according to your convenience. And on the third tab it is card suggest, where do you intend to spend. So in the card suggestion area you can see here displaying here, just tell us where you are visiting, we will suggest the best card you save instantly. Okay, so if you want to add your card, so you can click on add card area like here. You can see here all kind of the cards are here, like you have to just select banks like Amex, Axis Bank of Baroda, Citibank, HDFC, IDBI, ICICI, SBI, Yes Bank. All of the banks are here. Now we just go to back, and here is offers. Inside the offer you can see here, yeah, you can get your offer personalized offers, like what is displaying here. As per the app here, they wrote that here we bring you the most relevant offers on places where you actually make purchases. What kind of the purchase, like ending in next 7 days, on your favorite places by category. So or here you can also search, just a second, yeah, you can also search by the entering the keyword. Okay, offers. And now last is the fun fact. Okay, inside the fun fact it is displaying here, keep calm and tap here. Now I'm going to just tap here. Now it is displaying here, we will tell you facts about and you and your money. Swipe to view more. Yeah, 1 million offers per month, you will need hundreds of me. And you can also share it, this app, with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. Yeah, there is nothing here. So there's view again, no, I'm just going to outside here. Now one of the most good feature of this app which Smart Spends app, it is the FAQ section. You can get each and every knowledge related to app by clicking here. Now I'm going to inside the general area. Now you can see here all of the FAQs are here, like do I need to pay to use Smart Spends? Do I need to provide my bank account details or password? Does Smart Spends read my bank account statements? Like how do Smart Spends identify my expenses? Does Smart Spends edit, delete, move messages on my device? Does Smart Spends scan personal messages in my device? Which Android version are supported by Smart Spends? Do you have iOS version of this app? So first we will go inside this FAQ, like do you have iOS version of this app? So as per the apps maker, they are written writing here, unfortunately iOS version is not currently available for this app. Okay, now we are going to check another section, which Android version are supported by Smart Spends. So Smart Spends supports all Android versions above 4.0. okay, now again going to back and click okay. Does Smart Spends scan personal messages in my device? Okay, it is also a good thing which every users have to know. No, Smart Spends reads only the messages regarding transaction alerts. Your personal messages are totally safe and untouched. Okay, which is good. And another is, does Smart Spends edit, delete, move messages on my device? No, all your messages remain totally intact. Okay, it is also a good feature that all of your messages, SMS, text which from your friends are totally safe here. What else? How does Smart Spends identify my expense? Okay, so it is a very good FAQ. So Smart Spends identifies your transaction alert messages and extract the only relevant info such as amount, merchant, date, etc. from them. Further, it categorizes those expenses based on our merchants database using algorithms. Okay, so this is the rule. It is the way they identify, this app identify your expenses. Okay, what are the else? Okay, does the smartphone comes to know the confidential details of my credit or debit card? No, as per this app Smart Spends, they are saying no, we just know the last 4 digits of your credit or debit card which are read from your transaction alert message. All your confidential details such as CVV number, password are never known. Okay, so it is also a very good things in this app which is a Smart Spends. Okay, what else? Does a Smart Spends read my bank account statement? No, as per the Smart Spends, no. Your bank statements are not at all accessed by this app, which is also a very good things. What else? Do I need to provide my bank account details or password? No, Smart Spends doesn't ask for any bank accounts details or password. Okay, what else? Okay, do I need to pay to use a Smart Spends? So as per the Smart Spends, no, Smart Spends is absolutely free of cost to download and use. So friend, this app is still in the beta version. So okay, and here in the inside the support, why are not my transactions are not getting recorded? Okay, so inside it, please refer to the below banks that are currently supported by. Okay, so another very good question, that why are my transactions are not getting recorded? So as per the FAQs, inside the FAQ, they are mentioning here, please refer to the below list of banks that are currently supported by Smart Spends. If your bank is not listed, then please let us know about it at feedback@smartspends.com. We will shortly start supporting your bank too. Okay, so So if you are not getting any transactions, like mention here that why are my transactions not getting recorded. So if your bank is not listed here inside, like there are few banks here like the SBI, ICICI, HDFC, Citibank, Yes Bank, IDBI, Axis Bank, and others. So if your bank is not available here, so you have to just write a mail at feedback@smartexpense.com, and this app maker will add your bank inside here. Okay, so it is very good feature. And what else? Yeah, another question FAQ which is very good. I have added an item under daily, monthly, regular cash spends, but it has not appeared in my spends feed yet. Why? So as per the apps maker, they are writing here, it will appear in your spends feed from the next day of spend that you have selected. Further, it will automatically appear as recurring spend on the days you have selected. Okay, so these are the some FAQs inside the support area, which is the very good things. I have never found any this kind of the FAQs or support things in this kind of the apps. I like this very much, this FAQ section. And what inside the feedback, here you can start a new conversation. Yeah, whatever in your mind, so you can also do from here. So friends, this is my review on this app Smart Spend. So what else you can do it, that I'm just going to give you some few striking feature of this app, like it will automatically organize all the payments into different categories like travel, eating, or whatever your expenses will be. It creates a bill calendar where one can see all bills in one single view, and then through its a small alert system, it will also it card suggest is a feature where it will comes with a card suggest, and it is a feature where user can let the app know about their future plans of spending money. It also suggests which card can be used for each expenses. It offers the best deals and offers for debit and credit cards that are available in the market, where one can save to almost up to 20% in each transaction. So friends, this is my review of this app. It is Smart Spends. So friends, I have done with my review. If you have any question or query, you can mail me at my email ID. It is technictutor@gmail.com, or you can write here in comment area. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It is Technictutor. Don't forget to like and share this video on social media site. Sayonara, bye, and take care. Thank you.